Ways to handle the annoyance of tinnitus. Many people assume that tinnitus is a condition they just have to live with. They just accept the ringing in their ears as a given that they have to simply endure, but this is not so. Read on into this video for tips and tricks to use in minimizing and managing this condition. Be patient when taking medications to deal with tinnitus. What many tinnitus patients do not realize is that it is common for these medications to take a while to settle in, which is why they stop taking them so quickly. It is important to continue taking the medication and you will see positive results, soon. Relaxation techniques, like yoga and meditation, can help tinnitus. Stress and anxiety can worsen bouts of tinnitus. To reduce the chances of your tinnitus flaring up, do yoga or meditation to relax your body. To prevent your tinnitus from keeping you up all night, purchase a white noise generator or a set of white noise CDs. Try out different sounds until you find one that's a good fit for you. Doing this will allow you to concentrate on the white noise rather than your tinnitus, and will help you get a good night's sleep. To avoid aggravating your tinnitus further, choose the foods you eat carefully. Salt, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, and sugar can all make the symptoms of your tinnitus worse. If you don't want to give up all these things, try eliminating them one at a time to find out which one, if any, is causing problems. As stated earlier in this piece, a lot of sufferers of tinnitus assume there is nothing that can be done about this annoying condition. However, now that you have read these tips, you know that there are steps you can take soon for relief. Employ them in the coming days to hear a clearer future. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.